Hello class 5, how are you all? And from today we are going to start chapter number 8. Yes, I taught you up to chapter 5, chapter 6 and 7 were taught by Priyanka ma'am, and now I am going to begin chapter number 8. As you can see, the name of chapter 8, measurement. Yes, what is the name of chapter? The name of chapter is measurement. 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 The spelling may be a little bit complicated for you, but try. It's a very easy spelling. Okay, measurement. Actually, the correct pronunciation is measurement. Yeah, it is the correct pronunciation. Measurement is the correct pronunciation. Okay, so what are we gonna study in this chapter? Yes, what are we going to study in this chapter? We are going to study about how to get the information of about height, length, how to get the information. Suppose imagine if I ask you what is my weight, what is my weight, how will you find out? Yes, just looking at me, you cannot tell me my actual weight, my true weight, you cannot tell me, you can't answer me just looking at me. Okay, so you need something, you need a weighing balance or something like this which will tell my weight. Yes, so if I ask you that what is the length of my this finger, yes, if I ask you what is the length of my this finger, how will you tell? Yes, you need something, you need ruler, you need scale to measure. Yes, without it you cannot tell me that what is the length of my finger. Yes, maybe in centimeter, yes, maybe in kilometer. No, it's not possible in kilometer. Yeah, it is in centimeter. Am I right? So we are gonna study about measurement. Yes, we will do the measurement. In today, in present time, we use modern instrument for measurement. Yes, like suppose you are ill. Okay, suppose you have fever. Okay, you have fever. How will you find that whenever, what is your temperature? Yes, how will you find? You need something, you need an equipment. Doctor will use an equipment, you will go to doctor. If you have fever, you will go to doctor and doctor will tell you about it. Yes, am I right? So we are going to study about measurement. First of all, we will see the definition of measurement, and then followed by history of measurement. Yes, it's important to know the history of measurement. Yes, that in ancient time means old time. In old time, how did people try to find the length? Yes, if I ask you what is your height, if I ask you what is your height, how will you tell me? Yes, you need something. Without using equipment, without using inch tape or something like, you cannot tell me your height. Am I right? And we will also study how to measure length, how to measure mass. Yes, we will study about mass. Well, English people pronunciate it mass, mass, mass. So all these topic we will study. We will also study about capacity. Yes, and time. Yes, yes. So all these things we will study. So you will pay attention. Yes, we will see each and every topic one by one. May be possible that we will complete in this class or in next class. I will try. Okay, Now let's move on to the next point. Okay, so first of all, we will see the definition of measurement. Yes. So, what is measurement? Measurement is a finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. Yes. So, measurement is actually the finding the size or amount or size you can find out using any equipment. Okay, so measurement is a finding a number that shows the size or amount of something, or you can say measurement is a method of finding the quantity or size of any object. Yes, so as you can see in the picture, you can see a modern weighing machine. Yes, weighing balance, or you can say weighing machine. So as you can see, something is put in a box, and it is just showing the result. Yes, the machine is showing the result. So you can imagine that some heavy stone are in the box. Okay, imagine, just for imagination. Okay, just for imagining. Think that some stones are in the box and it is put on the weighing balance, or you can say weighing machine. So it will show the result because it is digital. Yes, in ancient time, in old time, people use a weighing balance, taraju, we call it taraju, if you know. Yes, in which we put some weight on one side, and we put the unknown weight on another side to find the weight of unknown. Yes, we put weight like 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram on this side, and on another side we put the unknown thing, unknown object. We need to find the weight of that object. Then using the known weight, we find the weight of unknown. Yes, it is the ancient method. Vegetable seller, yes, vegetable seller still use it. Yes, and but many shopkeeper use this modern weighing machine, as you can see in the picture. Yes, as you can see in the picture. So you can tell me the weight of the object included with box is 945, as you can see in the picture. Yes, can you see in the picture? So what is the weight? 945 kilogram weight is representing. So what is 945 kilogram? It is actually measurement of the box along with the stone which is inside the box. Yes, so if I ask you what is the weight of stone which is in the box, yes, you can tell me easily, 945 kilogram. Yes, so it is a measurement. So we can say measurement is the method of finding the size or quantity of something. Yes, measurement is the method of finding the size or quantity, or you can say amount. Okay, you can say quantity or you can say amount. Yes, measurement is the finding the size or quantity of something. Yes, of an object. Yes, something means of an object. Okay, so I hope you understood. And so two definition I told you. Yes, first is as you can see on the screen. Yes, first definition as you can see on the screen. Measurement is finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. Yes, and another definition is measurement is a method of finding measurement Measurement is a method of finding size or amount of something. Yes. So, as I told you that the correct pronunciation of measurement is measurement. Yes, measurement. But we are Indian, so sometimes we pronounce the same in our own language. Yeah, it's true, and truth can't be changed. Now, let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. So now let's see history of measurement. Yes, history of measurement. Yes, it is important to know about history. Yes, each and every one has history. Yes. So you can see the picture of hand. Yes, can you see the picture of hand? And just before the picture, I have written a word that is CUBIT. 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 Yes. What is the pronunciation? Cubit. So, as you can see the picture of hand, and in front of hand you can see the picture, you can see the word cubit. Am I right? So, what is cubit? What is cubit? Yes. Cubit is a unit which is used to find the length. Yes, cubit is a unit. When you go to shopkeeper, then if you ask for sugar to shopkeeper, you tell to shopkeeper that please give me 1 kilogram sugar, or you can say please give me half of kg tea leaves, yes, chai, or you can say please give me 1 kilogram jaggery, please give me half kilogram turmeric, 1 kilogram garlic. When you ask for all these items to shopkeeper, then he used the weighing balance to measure all these. He measure in kilogram. Yes, he or she, whatever. So the shopkeeper measure in kilogram. But if you ask for oil, yes, you cannot say give me 1 kilogram oil. This is wrong. Give me 1 kilogram oil. It is not possible because oil is measured in liter, milliliter. So you will have to ask for shopkeeper, give me 1 liter oil. Yes, 1 liter oil, maybe soybean oil or any oil. Okay. So then what happens? Shopkeeper gives you oil in liter. Yes, shopkeeper measures in liter, and for sugar, shopkeeper measure in kilogram. Am I right? So what is liter? What is kilogram? What is liter? What is kilogram? Liter and kilogram are units. Yes. So what is unit? So what is unit? Unit is a fixed quantity which is used to measure to find the amount of something, length, maybe size or amount of something. Okay. So you can write the definition. I have not written the definition of unit, I think. So you just need to know the meaning of unit. Okay. So what is unit? What is unit? Unit is a fixed quantity. Yes, unit is a fixed quantity that is used to measure the size or amount of something. Yes, I am again speaking. You can write the definition of unit. You can write the definition of unit. What is unit? First write the heading UNIT. UNIT, unit. Write the heading. Okay. Then write the definition. Unit is a fixed quantity which is used to find the size or amount of something. Yes. Unit is a fixed quantity that is used to find the size or amount of something. Yes. Okay. I hope you understood. So what is unit? Unit is a fixed quantity. Kilogram is a unit. Liter is a unit. Okay, so history of measurement. So if we talk about history of measurement, in ancient time people don't have weighing balance. Yes, they don't had weighing balance. Yes, in ancient time people don't had weighing balance to find the size or amount of something, so they use their body part. Yes, so in ancient time people used their body parts to find the size or amount of something. Yes, to find the size or amount of something. So, if I ask you that find the size of a table, if I ask you find the size of table, yes, how will you find? You will use ruler or inch tape, yes, but in ancient time people used their hand. People used their hand. Yes, one hand is equal to one cubit. Yes, this the length of one hand from the elbow. Yes, the length from elbow to middle fingertip is known as cubit. So people use their body parts to find the size of anything. Yes, any object, door size, table size, window size, they use this. Yes, I hope that you understood. So, ancient time people were not so improved. They were not developed. Yes, in ancient time people were not developed. Okay, so what is cubit? Cubit is actually a unit, but it is ancient time unit. Yes, I think maybe possible that your grandmother or grandfather or your grandfather, yes, your dada dadi or pardada pardadi, may be possible that they still use these method. Yes, they still use ancient unit to find to do the measurement. Now let's see some ancient time unit to measure the length. Okay, so I hope that you understood. Now let's continue it. Let's move on the next point. So kids, as I told you that in ancient time people used their body parts to find the size or anything, to find the size of any object. Yes, so using the hand they can find the height. Yes, so what is my height? What is my height? I think my height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 cubit. Yes, 5.5 cubit. This is my height. Yes, 5.5 cubit means, what is the meaning of 5.5 cubit? 5 cubit means 5 hand plus half cubit means half hand. Yes, this is the ancient time method of finding the length. Yes, so as you can see in the first picture you can see the picture of foot. FOOT, foot. Okay, foot. So in ancient time people use their foot to find the size of anything. Yes, 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot. Okay, so this the finding the size, length, the finding the length to find the length of any object using the foot. Yes, it was done by ancient people. So foot step is the ancient time unit to find the length. Yes, cubit, foot span, you can see the picture of hand span. Yes, this is hand span. from the tip of little finger to the tip of thumb. This is actually hand span, and you can see arm length. Arm length means cubit. So hand span, foot span, cubit, and fathom. Yes, fathom, outstretch arm. Outstretch arm. I will show you the picture in next slide. Don't worry. Keep patience. Yes, patience is very important. So, in ancient time, people used their body part like footstep. Yes, they use their foot to find the size. You know, in a cricket, if you like cricket, do you like cricket? Do you like cricket? Do you play cricket at home or in the ground? In playground. If you like cricket, you know, usually what do we do to make the pitch? To make the pitch, to build the pitch from one stump to another stump, to make the pitch. Usually we use our leg. Yes, we usually use our leg around and we make the ground. Yes, 22 leg or 23 leg. This is the length of our cricket ground around we use. Yes, maybe 21. So it is also ancient time method of making ground. Yes, am I right? Do you remember? Do you make ground like this using your leg? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. Yes, you make. So it is also an ancient type of method of measurement. Yes. So foot span, hand span, cubit, fathom. Yes, I will show you the fathom, picture of fathom. Okay. So all these things we use. Now I hope that you understood about history of measurement, and I already explained you the definition of measurement. So what is the definition of measurement? What is the definition of measurement? Measurement is the finding a number. Measurement is the finding a number that shows the size or amount of something, or you can say measurement is a method of finding the size or amount of something. Yes. Now I will show you some definition. I hope you have written. Please write down. Please write down this one. Please write down. Okay. Foot step, hand span, and cubit. Okay. Now let's see the definition. Some definition. Okay. Let's move on the next point. Okay. So as you can see, 3 pictures. Yes. Look the first picture. First picture. Yes. Look the picture of this man. Yes. Can you see this muscular man? Yes. Can you see the picture? So what is the man is doing? What the hell is he doing? Yes. What the man is doing? He is trying to find the size of bottle. Yes. The man is trying to find the size of bottle. How is he trying to find the size of bottle? He is using his hand. Yes, he is using his hand to find the size of the bottle. Am I right? So using the hand, this method is called hand span. Yes. So what is the definition of hand span? What is the definition of hand span? Hand span is the distance between the tip of the thumb. Hand span is the distance between the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger of a fully stretched hand. Yes, this is called stretch. This is called stretch. This is called shrink hand. Shrink hand. Now it is fist. Fist, mutti. Fist means mutti. Shrink hand means सिकड़ा हुआ. Shrink. Now stretched. खुला फैला हुआ. Stretched hand, shrink hand. Stretched hand, shrink hand. Stretched hand. So hand span. This is called one hand span. This is called two hand span. Then one more, three hand span. then one more 4 hand span, then one more 6 hand span, then one more 7 hand span. So 2 hand span, 1 hand span. So you can see in the picture, the man is using his hand to find the size of bottle, length of bottle. So what is the length of bottle? 1 hand span. Yes. So what is hand span? Hand span is the distance between the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. Yes, tip of the thumb to tip of the little finger is known as hand span. And look the second picture, the man with a sweater. Yes, the man is wearing a sweater, blue color sweater, you can see. Yes, and with the spectacles on the eye, you can see he's wearing, and he's looking smart. Yes, just like me. And you can see, I think it is a cold time, it is winter season, that's why he is wearing sweater, blue color sweater. Yes, I think this man loves blue color. I love too, but not too much. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, the hand of man, look the hand of this old man. Yes, this is old man, I think, but I am not old, I am gold. Okay, look the picture of the hand. Yes, the hand is just like this, and this length from elbow to tip of the middle finger, when the your hand is stretched, the length from elbow to the tip of middle finger, this is known as cubit. So what is cubit? Cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow. Yes. So what is cubit? Cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger. Tip of the middle finger. Yes. Look, your tip should not be like this. This length is wrong. This is right. This is wrong. This is right. Now, from this tip to elbow, this is correct. But now it is wrong. So cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow. This distance is known as cubit. Alright. Now let's see next definition, fathom. Look the last picture. Yes, you can see the last picture of a man which is wearing I think yellow orange color shirt. Yes. Look the picture of this handsome man. Last picture. Look the last picture of this handsome man wearing the half shirt, which is in yellow color. Yes, and I hate this color. And with a black pant, and I love black color. So you can see that look the hand of this man. He is spreading his hand. He is spreading his hand. Yes, like this. Yes, like this. So the length of both hand, outstretched arm. Yes, this is called outstretched arm. So is known as fathom. So what is fathom? Fathom is the length of outstretched arm. Fathom is the length of the outstretched arm. Yes, fathom is the length of the outstretched arms. I hope you understood the definition of fathom. Yes. Please write down all these definition: hand span, cubit, fathom. If you cannot see clearly the definition, I am speaking again slowly. Okay, you can write down slowly. The definition of hand span, the definition of cubit, fathom. Okay. First, what is hand span? What is hand span? What is hand span? Hand span is the distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully stretched hand. Yes. What is hand span? Hand span is the distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully stretched hand. Okay. So what is hand span? Hand span is the distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully stretched hand. Yes. 3 times I spoke, 3 times. I will not speak again. Never. Cubit. So what is cubit? Cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger, means outstretched, and the elbow. Yes. So what is cubit? Cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow. Okay. Last time. I will not speak again the definition of cubit. Okay. I hope you understood. Cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow. Yes. This distance. What is fathom? Fathom is the length of the outstretched arm. Yes. It is very simple definition. Fathom is the length of the outstretched arms. Yes, fathom is the length of the outstretched arms. Okay. So, kids, I hope that you understood. Yes. So, first of all, I told you about, I gave a brief introduction about measurement. Yes. In the beginning, I gave you the introduction of measurement. Yes. Measurement is a finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. Yes, like this. Yes, it's a very easy. Am I right? And then I explained you about history of measurement. Yes, we use hand span, foot span, cubit, like this time fathom, this kind of unit to measure the length. Am I right? And kids, in next class, okay, in next class, I will tell you which are modern instrument. Yes, which are modern instrument. Okay, which are used to measure the length. Okay, I will explain about the modern instrument in next class. Okay, and now, and I will also explain some more point like measurement of length, and definition of length, definition of mass, MA double S mass, what is capacity, and we will try to find the unit also. Yes, what is the unit of temperature, all these things with along with definition we will study in next class. Now whatever we studied now, it is time to ask question from you. Yes, very easy question for you. Okay, so now let's move on the next point. Okay, it's time to ask some very difficult question from you. Yes, it's time to ask so much difficult question from you. No, I'm just kidding. These are very simple question for you. Define measurement. How did people measure the length in ancient time? Define following. It's very easy for you. Yes, because you know what, I explain one thing in thousand of time. Yes, so actually I want that you learn as well as write in your notebook at the same time. That's why I repeat again and again and again and again. So define measurement. Yes, anybody can tell me, even a donkey can tell me. Yes, even an elephant can tell me the answer of first question. What is measurement? Yes, define measurement. Tell me the definition of measurement. Yes. So measurement is the method of finding the size or amount of something, or you can say measurement is a method of finding the size or amount of an object. Yes, any object may be possible, any object. Yes. So the definition is very easy, and otherwise you can also write the definition of measurement. Measurement is a finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. Yes, it is also very easy. Yes, so measurement is a method of finding the size or amount of something. Now question number 2. So question number 2, as you can see on the screen, How did people measure the length in ancient time? Yes, in ancient time, people used their body parts to find the length of any object. Yes, in ancient time, people used their body parts to find the size of any object. Yes, in ancient time, people used their body parts to find the length of any object. Yes, like they use their hand span, like they use their hand span, uh, foot step, you can say cubit. Okay, cubit means they use their hand, they used their hand, they use their feet. Yes, so they use them to find they also use their finger to find the length. Yes, because in ancient time people don't had modern instrument, that's why they used. Okay, so how will you write the answer of this question? How will you write the answer of this question? How did people measure the length in ancient time? How will you write the answer? You can write the people measured the length in ancient time using their body parts such as hand, foot. Yes, the length of one hand is the length from elbow to middle finger is called cubit, etc. etc. I hope you understood. Okay. Now, question number 3. Define following. Yes, define following. Question number fathom. Fathom. What is fathom? Fathom is the length of the outstretched arm. Yes, fathom is the length of outstretched arm. What is cubit? Cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow. And what is hand span? Hand span is the distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of little finger of a fully stretched hand. Okay. So what is hand span? Hand span is the distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of little finger. Cubit is the distance between the tip of the middle finger to elbow. Fathom is the length of outstretched arm. I hope you understood. Now today's class is over. Now we will meet in next class. Till then, bye bye.